Hey guys, this is Shishanpa, and today I'll tell you why your Korean sounds a little bit off, a little bit odd, and using an example of 안녕하세요 and 감사합니다. And we're going to tackle some of the pronunciation mistakes, and I'll teach you how to pronounce it better. Okay? So first off, 안녕하세요. It's mainly for Western language users. When they are speaking that greeting, they tend to sound like this. 안녕하세요. Okay. There are a couple of points that I want to talk about. The first one is S sound, especially soft S sound. We call it 시옷. So 다나다라 마바사 사 sound. Compared to that, English S sound is a little bit stronger. So compare these two. Sa. That was Korean soft S. Sa. That's English S. What else? Let's say sale, S-A-L-E. In Korean, it's sale. But English, it's sale, right? So 안녕하세요. It's not 안녕하세요, but it's 안녕하세요. So what you can do, what I do to teach my students is do this. Se, and then lower down the intensity of S sound. So se. So basically you need to level down about 60% of that intensity of S sound. Se. So 안녕하세요 becomes 안녕하세요. And the second one is a Y sound. You say Y a little stronger, like yo. But in Korean, it's more brief and loosen. Okay, it's more like yo, as opposed to yo. And we don't do the last oo sound that you make when you make o sound, yo. But in Korean, it's yo. So the last two syllables of 안녕하세요 is 세요, right? But in a Western language, you tend to say 세요, but it's 세요. Okay? Okay, repeat after me. 안녕하세요. It's not 안녕하세요. Of course, it's not wrong. I will greet you back